This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by David Gambrell. 109 Hollywood Drive is a homeowner's dream. This property has a large list of improvements. This 3,544 square feet ranch is close to downtown and in a great neighborhood. Improvements include mechanical, such as wiring inspected and updated including new switches and GFI. Exterior, new roof, new HVAC unit, front gutter replaced, new paint, new outside lighting interior, entry and storm door replaced, new baseboards, new crown molding, new paint, LED lighting, new tile, bathroom tile and cabinets, shower, sink, new vanity in both bathrooms. The list goes on. Move-in ready brick ranch. For more information